Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Binance app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, in order to change your password, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the arrow button alongside your user ID, and now you will end up within your account info page. From here, tap on security, and now tap on password. In order to change your account password, press the continue button to receive a verification code in order to verify your identity. You will then be required to enter the 6-digit code that is sent to your email address. After entering this code and verifying your identity, you can now enter your desired new password for your account. Just enter your desired new password for your account and then type it in once again for confirmation. After you press the confirm button, your password will now successfully be changed, and you will be prompted to log in using your new password. And now you can use your new password to log into your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Binance app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.